sub-Q, fascial plane, deltoid muscle, fascial plane.
You ready for a poke?
Yeah.
You see the needle coming from the right side of the screen. See the fluid dropping down into the joint. These two buttons where it says depth and focus. Humeral bone, bicep tendon here, supra here.